What is the proper way to run the ground wire to a CT410B non-programmable thermostat? The thermostat I am replacing has a ground connection on the housing itself.
Hi, I'm Douglas and I am here to help you resolve problems with your heating and cooling equipment. The CT410B doesn't have a ground screw, nor does it need to be grounded. So you can remove the ground screw from the junction box in this case.
The ground wires from both the load line and the heater are currently twisted together. So I just leave them that way, unattached to anything inside the junction box.
They still need to be connected if they come up to the junction box, and if there is a ground screw in the junction box, they should attach to it, but the thermostat itself remains ungrounded.
The junction box is plastic.
Oh, okay, I was just about to ask that. Then it won't do any good. Just the ground wires stay wire nutted together. They should be grounded at the heaters.
Okay, thanks for your help. Nice B/T/W. I also have a Fender P bass.
Thanks, XXXXXXXXXX mine. I borrowed that one from a fellow bass player that night. It's a Geddy Lee Jazz. He sold it last week and didn't even think to see if I wanted it. Oh, well, I still like my Ibanez too. Just like this. If we have more to do, simply reply back and we'll walk through the rest. Douglas 41237.63859165551.
Douglas, I'm unsure about the diagram as the thermostats have 4 wires, 2 red, 2 black, and as you can tell, I'm no electrician. The old thermostats are poorly marked. There isn't any indicators of what is line or what is load on the old ones. I'm assuming I can't just match up what black went to and what red went to.
Okay. With a double pole thermostat, it's really the same. I was primarily showing the grounds tie together. Line and load are not going to affect this setup because it's just a normally open set of contacts. The main thing is to not have one unknown red going to an unknown black. Usually line is marked with L and load is marked with T. You will have to tell me if it's marked differently. 1 red to L1, 1 to T1, 1 black to L2 and 1 to T2 greens all go together. Or uninsulated copper.
Okay. I found a diagram inside one of the old thermostat covers that shows black to load and red to line. So, I should be able to tie what is labeled as T1 and T2 on the new Honeywell to what was black, load, on the old one, and L1 and L2 to what was red, line, on the old one. Does that make sense?
It should look like this. I have to step out for 20 minutes or so, slight emergency here. I'll check back shortly. Maybe short was a bad use of words. But if you wire it like this, you should be good. Do you have a voltmeter by chance?
I do have a voltmeter. Douglas, first replacement is done and works fine. Thanks again for all your help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.